Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about our new topic, converting centimeter into meter, converting kilometer into meter, converting meter into kilometer. Are you ready for the class? Okay. All of you take your text, page number 108. 108. Okay. Our topic is converting centimeters into meter. Converting centimeters into meter. Converting centimeter into meter. What are things we studied in last class? We just say length, converting meters into centimeter and converting centimeters into meters. Okay. And our topic is converting centimeters into meter. Okay. To convert centimeter into meter, divide the centimeter by 100. To convert centimeter into meter, divide the centimeter by 100. Divide the centimeter by 100. Okay. We got the answer. The quotient is the meter and remainder is the centimeter. Quotient is the meter and remainder is the centimeter. Okay. Method 1. So many methods are here. Method 1. One example. Convert 300 centimeter into meter. Convert 300 centimeter into meter. Okay. Convert 300 centimeter into meter. Okay. How to solve this problem? How to solve? Divide the centimeter by 100. Divide centimeter by 100. Here 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, 100 centimeter. Okay. We want to find out 300 centimeter into meter. Convert centimeter into meter. Okay. Listen here. 300 divided by 300 divided by 100. 300 divided by 100. How many times in 100 in 100? How many times 100? How many times? 3 times. Write 3 is here. 3 into 100. 3 into 100. 300. Quotient is 3 and remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Okay. Quotient is the meter and remainder is the centimeter. Here remainder is 0. Okay. We got the answer. 300 centimeter equal to 300 divided by 100. 300 divided by 100. We got the answer 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. 3 is the quotient and remainder is 0. 3 is the quotient and remainder is 0. Okay, 3 is the quotient and remainder is the 0. Okay, answer is 300 centimeter equal to 300 divided by 100. We got the answer 3 meter. 3 meter. Okay, write it. Did you finished? Okay, good. Then second method, method 2. Method 2. Write the following as meter and centimeter. Write the following as meter and centimeter. Okay. Six thousand 510 centimeter. 6,500 centimeter. Write the following as meter and centimeter. Meter and centimeter. How to solve? Solution. We want to find out the meter and centimeter. Our number is 6,510. 6,510. 6,510 centimeter. 6,510 centimeter. 6,510. Here, all of you listen here. 6,510. Okay. 6,000 divided by 100. 6,510 divided by 100. Here 6 divided by 100 is not possible. 5 divided by 100 is not possible. 1 divided by 100 is not possible. Okay, 6,501 divided by 1000. How many times? How many times? 6 times. 6 into 100. 6 into 100. 600. Okay. Then 1, 5. Here 0. Then bring down the next number. Next number is 0. Okay. 510 divided by 100. How many times? 5 times. 5 into 100. 5 into 100. 500. 0. 1. 0. 10 is the remainder and 65 is the quotient. 65 is the quotient. 10 is the remainder. Okay. Our method 2. Method 2 is this. Okay. Listen. 6,510 centimeter. 6,510 centimeter. Here 6,500 plus 10. 6,500 plus 10. 6,500 plus 10. We got the answer 6,510. 6,510. Okay. 6,510. Okay. Then Listen here. Listen here. It is written as it is 6,510. It is written as 65 meter and 10 centimeter. 65 meter and 10 centimeter. Okay. 10 is the remainder and 65 is the quotient. Okay. I will explain one more time. Method 2, 6,510 centimeter. അല്ലേ 6,510 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ന ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾ മീറ്ററും സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററും എഴുതണം അല്ലേ. ദെൻ സൊല്യൂഷൻ 6,510 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ. 6,510 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 6,500 പ്ലസ് 10 അല്ലേ. 6,500 പ്ലസ് 10 അല്ലേ. ഓക്കെ. ദെൻ 6,510. Okay. Here and here last two digit number. Last two digit number is the last two digit number is the centimeter and remains are the meter. Last two digit number എന്തായിരിക്കും? സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലേ. അതായത് 1 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 100 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ അല്ലേ. 1 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 100 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ അല്ലേ. In 100 centimeter, how many zeros in here? Only 2 zero. Only 2 zero. 100ൽ 2 zeros ഉള്ളത് കാരണം എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം നമ്മൾ? ലാസ്റ്റ് 2 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പർ സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കണം. റിമൈൻസ് ആർ ദി മീറ്റർ. റിമൈൻസ് ന്യൂമറൽസ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? മീറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കും. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഓക്കെ. ദെൻ ലിസൺ. This is the easy way. 6,510 centimeter. 6,510 centimeter. Here 6,510. Last two digit number. Last two digit number 10. Okay. 65 and 10. Okay. 65 and 10. And last two digit number is 10. 10 is the centimeter and remains numerals 65. This is the meter. This is the meter. Here 65 meter 10 centimeter. 65 meter and 10 centimeter. Okay, so 6,510 centimeter equal to 6,510 centimeter equal to 65 meter 10 centimeter. 65 meter 10 centimeter. Okay, I will explain one more time. Method 2 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമുക്കൊരു സംഖ്യ തന്നേക്കാണ് 6,510 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ അല്ലേ. 6,510 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ. ഈ സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററിനെ നമ്മൾ മീറ്ററിലേക്കും മീറ്ററായിട്ടും സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ആയിട്ടും നമ്മൾ എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ. ദെൻ ഹിയർ 6,510 and last two numbers are the centimeter and remains numbers are meter. Here last two digit numbers 10 is the centimeter and remaining numbers 65 is the meter. Okay, write it. ഈ ഒരു വേ ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലേ ഈസി ആയിട്ട് തോന്നുന്നത്. ലാസ്റ്റ് 2 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പർ സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ആയിട്ടും റിമൈനിങ് ന്യൂമറൽസ് മീറ്റർ ആയിട്ടും എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ. Did you finish? Did you finish? Okay. Next one. Method. Next one. Another example. B 1010 centimeter. We want to find out the centimeter and meter. We want to find out centimeter and meter. Okay. Then here 1010 means 1000 plus 10,000 plus 10 1010. 1000 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. 1000 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. 1000 centimeter converted into meter. 1000 divided by 100. 1000. How many times in 100 in 1000? How many times? 10 times. Okay. Then 1000 centimeter converted into meter. 10 meter. 10 meter. 10 centimeter. 10 meter. 10 centimeter. 10 meter and 10 centimeter. Another way. 1010. Sorry, 1010. 1010. Okay. Here, last 2 digit numerals. Last 2 digit numerals are the centimeter and remains are the meter. This is the easy way. Okay. This one is the easy way. All of you listen here. 1010. 1010 is the number. And this number and last 2 digit number. Last numerals. 10. 10 is the centimeter. Remaining numerals are the meter. Here 10 and 10. This 10 is the centimeter and this is the meter. This is the meter. This is the meter. Okay. Here this 10 is the 10 meter and this is the 10 centimeter. Last 2 digit number is the centimeter and remaining numbers are the meter. Here total digits 4. Last 2 numbers are the centimeter and remains are the meter. Okay. We got the answer 10 meter, 10 centimeter, 10 meter and 10 centimeter. This is the easy way. Okay. I will explain one more time. 110 is the number. 110 is the number. Okay. Then last 2 digit number is the centimeter and remains are the meter. Here last 2 digit number 10. 10 is the centimeter and remaining numerals are the 10. 10 is the meter. We got the answer 10 meter and 10 centimeter. You got it? Okay. Write it. Write it. Ten meter and 10 centimeter. Okay. 10 meter and 10 centimeter. Okay, write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. In exercise 4.2, so many questions are here. I will explain some questions and remains are your homework. Okay. Exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. Convert into meter. Convert into meter. First one. First one. 109 centimeter. 109 centimeter. 109 divided by 100 divided by 100. Okay. We got the answer 109 divided by 100. 109 divided by 100. How many times in 100? How many times? One time. 1 into 100. 100. Quotient is 1 and remainder is 9. Remainder is 9. 1 is the answer and remainder is 9. Remainder is 9. So 109 centimeter equal to quotient is the meter and remainder is the centimeter. Quotient is the meter and remainder is the centimeter. Okay, 1 meter 9 centimeter. 1 meter 9 centimeter. Okay. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then second one. B. 1753 centimeter. Okay. 1753 centimeter. Okay. 1753 divided by 100. How many times in 100 in 100? Sorry, 1753. How many times in 100? How many times? 17 times. 17 times. Okay. 1753 divided by 100. One time 1 into 100, 5, 7. 75 divided by 100 is possible? It is not possible. Okay. Bring down the next number. Next number is the 3. How many times in 100 in 753? 7 times. 7 into 100. 700. Then 3, 5, 0. 53. 53 is the remainder. 17 is the quotient. Okay. 17 is the quotient. Okay. 17. And next, remainder is 53. Remainder is 53. So 1753 centimeter equal to 17 meter. 17 meter 53 centimeter. 17 meter and 53 centimeter. I will explain one more time. We want to find out the 1753. 1753. Convert into meters. Okay. 1753 divided by 100. How many times? How many times? How many times in 100? 17 times. All of you listen here. Here 1753. അല്ലേ 1753 എന്ന നമ്പറാണ്. അപ്പം എന്തായിരുന്നു ഓൾറെഡി നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിരുന്നു അല്ലേ. ഇതിനകത്ത് ലാസ്റ്റ് 2 ഡിജിറ്റ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? മീറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കും. റിമൈനിങ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? മീറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കും. ലാസ്റ്റ് 2 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പർ സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കും. റിമൈനിങ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? മീറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പം ഈ 17 ആയിരിക്കും എന്തായിരിക്കും? ലാസ്റ്റ് 2 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പർ ആയിരിക്കും എന്ത്? സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ. ഓക്കെ. ലാസ്റ്റ് 2 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പർ ആയിരിക്കും സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ. റിമൈനിങ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? മീറ്റർ. ഓക്കെ. 70 meter. Remainder is 53 centimeter. So 1753 centimeter equal to 17 meter and 53 centimeter. 17 meter and 53 centimeter. Okay, write it. Did you finish? Okay. Remains your homework. Dear students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.